If you work in food safety and you've never heard about challenge testing, you might be validating your product the wrong way. And if you have heard about it, but can't explain it during an audit, that might be what's holding back your career. Most professionals know HACCP they fill out documents and follow procedures. But when the auditor asks, how do you validate your product safety over shelf life, they freeze. A challenge test is a microbiological study where food is intentionally inoculated with pathogens to evaluate whether those microorganisms grow or not. We are talking about pathogens like Listeria, monocytogenes, or Salmonella enterica. This is not theory. This is scientific validation. Here is how it works. You take the real product, you inoculate it with a known amount of bacteria, you store it under real conditions, and then you monitor microbial growth over time. Now, let's look at the results. If microbial growth exceeds 0.5 log, your product supports growth and needs a formula change. If not, your product is considered safe under those conditions. For a real example, consider a fresh cheese product tested against Listeria monocytogenes after monitoring. We see no significant growth over 30 days. That means validated shelf life. Average professionals talk about control. Top professionals talk about validation. Challenge testing puts you in a different level. If you want to grow in food safety, you need to master what others ignore. Save this video and share it with someone in quality. Attention, U.S. quality professionals. If you want to give your career a real upgrade, subscribe to our channel right now. We have dozens of videos covering diverse technical themes that will help you become a top-tier expert in the industry. Join our community and stay ahead of the curve.